Hi, everyone. Mary Esther Miranda Gilbert here, nutritional physiologist and nutritional healing specialist and botanical medicines researcher, writer, and educator, fitness advocate, and healthy, advocate for the world. So it's been a little while since I have done a video outside of the APL Go videos that I've been putting up on my channel here. But I just wanted to say that I'm still here and I've missed all of you. So thank you for continuously adding on to the number of subscribers that I have. It's getting there, it's still a small number compared to a lot of the other people who have their own channels, but that's because I've been busy, building my the True Health Mastery Institute of Holistic Personal Health Management that is almost ready to launch. And all year long, I've been trying to meet my own deadlines, but came out to be a bit more complex. The learning curve was steep, but I've got enough of it mastered so that I can launch the institute online and give the member subscribers a good experience on as a member. So if you haven't seen my previous descriptions of my institute, then you might want to go to my website, holisticchoices.com, and look at the True Health Mastery link and click on that. It'll give you a very detailed description of the perks of being a member will have for people. But I wanted to jump on here briefly to say hello to everyone and to assure you, in case you're wondering, where did she go? Why is she only producing APL Go videos? As much as I love that company and love helping the associates there. But if you're not an APL Go, then here's a video, to assure you that I am going to be jumping on here more often, because once that institute is launched, then I will be putting out, information as to what's going on with members. So if anyone wants to join, they can get excited as much as I am about being the CEO and founder of this institute, which is much needed. Okay, so the purpose of the institute is to provide the correct science-based information that the public just isn't getting. So there's a certain person that has come on the political scene and is very popular. The last time I mentioned his name, the video that I made then got taken down, but I'm right up there with this person and in helping humanity become the healthiest they can be. I've been working on this goal for 45 years. I've been helping people transform their health for all the best reasons, educating them and guiding them and providing the information that they needed to make better health management decisions. So I'm just going to say his term of endearment, his as a 70-year-old man, he's my age, and so I admire his work, and I'm right there with him on the same page, but I'm going to call him Bobby from now on, because if you don't know who that is, then I can't say it on this channel. But he is comes from a very famous family, and there were presidents that were, in his family. So sorry, I can't mention it because I don't want this taken down again. I had to put the previous video on Rumble, which is a censor-free site. So if you want to see my videos that you don't see here, you can go to my Rumble channel. Just type in my name in the search box at Rumble and it'll come right up. Okay, so anyhow, going on. I wanted to just encourage people to don't forget to stay healthy through the holidays. More heart attacks happen throughout the holidays. People get depressed and they're lonely and that kind of thing. But if you're highly nourished, then these stressors will be the stress that you might experience in being alone for the holidays or being with difficult family members for the holidays. You will experience a lot more calm, inner calm and peace, and be able to maintain your cool with situations that happen over holidays, whether it's a social environment or family or whatever you might encounter the stress. So stay highly nourished, watch my other videos. You'll learn how to be highly nourished and be able to handle the stress over the holidays. Um, but also, I wanted to encourage people to prepare the healthiest version of the meals instead of frying things. Use the healthy omega-3 oils to as salad dressings, or something that you want to mix into the dish after it's been cooked, so you don't alter the molecules and they don't become the trans fats that everyone has to avoid. So healthy oils can turn into trans fats very quickly with heat and exposure to oxygen. So keep your oils refrigerated. Use the omega-3 oils. Don't use the other oils that aren't high in the omega-3s. Our bodies need those types of fatty acids. And don't be afraid of animal drippings, gravies made from animal drippings, and also real butter, the organic version, so that you can get the best types of healing fats that your body needs. Fats are so important for the cell structures of our trillions of cells. We don't want them to be prone to damage. So you want to make sure that your cells are nice and pliable and strong and flexible, so that you can take the added, stress of raising that blood pressure, trying to just handle the crowds of the holiday season, and be careful not to go into the road rage and kind of thing. To the level of frustration and the level of being able to control that kind of reaction to people, it can be pretty stressful in the holidays. So the higher nourished you are, the more you're nourishing your cells and protecting your genetic code, which is in that DNA, then the better you'll be able to get through the holidays. But a lot of people have wonderful holiday seasons. It's what you make of it sometimes. And it's all in your perspective and cognitive, ability to make sure that you have a happy holiday season and you help others have a happy holiday season. It always comes back to a well-nourished body. Always, everything in the world can be traced back to how well nourished are the people in this situation. How well do they handle their emotions or their perspectives on life, and what life decisions have they made this year that they can be proud of, or that they can be proud that they have met the challenges of their stress and handle things more rationally, handle things better, improved relationships, or just avoided or kind of stayed calm in a difficult relationship, maybe. So it's a difficult time in our world, and people are stressed, and people are undernourished or malnourished, and they are suffering from their health issues. There's so many things that happen that can affect someone's health. So staying nourished and staying hydrated and getting enough sleep and planning your meals ahead of time. Try not to do all the cooking all in one day. That's extremely exhausting, extremely stressful. Just work it into your time, to prepare meals, do the food prep ahead of time, whether it's baking or, just preparing food in general, just chopping up vegetables ahead of time, or whatever it takes to make the whole operation go more smoothly, or do a joint venture with a family member, or have a friend come over and just get a teamwork thing going on to just make it more fun, and to ease that stress of producing a very large meal, for people. So if it's your first time handling such a large meal and you're inviting the whole family over, it's going to be stressful if you don't plan for it and if you don't do things ahead of time. So stay nourished, so you're more calm, you're more biochemically balanced, and you can handle the stress better. And our perspectives change when we're also highly nourished. So what might seem to be highly stressful or very, very difficult, with a person, could be altered if a person is more calm and more centered and strong within to be able to handle a difficult person. So I just wanted to drop in and say hi to everybody and to give words of encouragement for this holiday season. So as far as the True Health Mastery Institute, I just have one more module to record on my Nutritional Synergy course, which matches the Nutritional Synergy book. And I plan on doing more courses. I didn't want to delay the launching of the Institute any longer. I do have a waiting list, which I'm very, very excited about. Welcome ahead of time, everybody. I hope you're still, excited about this. That's why I make announcements throughout the year to let people know the progress, that it's not something that I have forgotten about or putting it off or anything like that. It's been the forefront of my priorities as far as work goes this year. And I just thought, no, I've got to make it a 2024 project that I complete before the end of 2024. So, but when I launch, it will be announced that memberships will be that day, and it doesn't necessarily have to be January 1st of 2025 either. So my goal is to get this done before the end of the year and make the announcement so that people can maybe make it a New Year's resolution to become more knowledgeable about the real way to protect your health, revive your health, regenerate your body, and put your health on a new higher path that keeps you away from the disease process, from the degenerative health process. So that's my goal. I'm so excited to be able to finally, since I retired my practice 13 years ago, I've been doing different things, educating and writing. So I've been doing a lot of different things and speaking. Once in a while I would get invited to be on an expert panel or be a speaker. And but so all that has been wonderful fun, but I still feel like I haven't reached enough people, and I want to take this kind of education to the masses the way Bobby is. Bobby, the wonderful politician that is going to take on so many of the entities that have caused harm to humankind. And so I've been behind the scenes quietly healing my clients and teaching people what I'm teaching, but it's time for me to just get out in the open more and reach the world the way Bobby is doing. And if I could work side by side with him or let him know that I'm on the same page as he is, and if I could be of any assistance whatsoever, then all the better for humanity, and the more fulfilling it is. So those of you who have taken my course or have been my clients and have read my books, you are so much farther ahead. You know more than any medical doctor out there right now. I have yet to meet or see or hear about any medical doctor who has been doing the same kind of work as I have and who has been educating themselves the way I have. Yes, I have 3 degrees, 2 bachelor's of science degrees and 1 master of science degree. As you see behind my wall, there's another one up above there that you don't see, although maybe if I tilt the camera up, you'll see the other one that I have up there. But all of that education laid a great foundation, but it's all of the scientific research that I've done to put together nutritional healing protocols for people that have really taught me a lot more about how the human body works and how it utilizes nutrients and what toxins do to the body, that kind of thing. So all this research that I've done over the last 45 years on top of my 30-year practice has served my clients well, has served me well as far as having the professional reputation that I've worked so hard to maintain and build. So those of you who have read my books and have been my clients, I've gotten some really great feedback from all of you, and I'm very grateful for all of you. So this is my contribution to humanity, and I just wanted to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe, be healthy, and be strong. And let's get into the 2025 with even more strength and just attitude and stick-to-itiveness, and just being the optimal beings that I know you can all be. And if you aren't already. So I will speak to you soon. And the next time I'm on here, it'll probably be just to jump on here. Sometimes I see all the misinformation out there, and I think, okay, I'm going to do a video on this for my viewers and YouTube subscribers, to give more information. So people really tend to really enjoy those and really like that. So I will probably jump on here before the end of the year to provide a couple more of these kinds of videos. But when I make the launch announcement, that'll be a separate kind of video. All right, so I will see you later. Thank you again for the newer subscribers that hopped on here in the last week or so. Welcome. So to me, you're my family, you're my tribe, you are true health seekers, and I am here to help as much as I possibly can. And I'm constantly learning, I'm constantly researching, trying to keep up with this scientific research that's constantly putting out new information about this vastly intricate human body of ours. And so I just want to share all that information. I want the whole world to feel vibrantly healthy, and we must get rid of the degenerative health and disease process, eliminate it out of our population, and have healthier children and have more energetic, more creative, innovative lives to match what's coming ahead for humanity. All righty. So much love and peace to all of you. Talk to you later. Bye bye.